G'day guys, Ninja. I've got Aaron on the table.
Hello.
It's been a while between drinks, hasn't it, man?
We haven't done one of these catch-up rubs for a while.
Yeah, the big dogs haven't been
Haven't
together.
been together, nah.
Reacquainted.
Had to go and do a couple of expeditions and come back and give the people the goods, eh?
Yeah, you've been out on the journey, have you?
No, I just mean that we just got to, give us some air to come back and so we can spit some wisdom together,
More, lots of wisdom to be had from us, eh?
Oh, bloody oath.
You're the alchemist. You've been out with your sheep, the
That's
shepherd
it.
boy.
Yeah.
Ring round, done the full circle, and now you're back.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's it.
So we're doing a bit of a SACRUM treatment on Aaron today. So there's a really thick layer of fascia over the top of the sacrum, and a lot of the muscles kind of come up into your erectors and right from your lats and things like that. So it's a really important spot in the body, and also that fascia continues off into the glutes as well. So while we have a chat, I'll be fixing up that region of his body, and you can actually mobilise SIJ as well, so I can kind of change the angle and push that out as well. So it's like the sacrum is a really important part of the body, but people don't realise that you can actually do body work on it. So it just feels very therapeutic, and just by waiting on this one spot, you can actually elicit so much good sensations that you just know, you don't just believe, you know that it's going to be better for you. So you can just be patient, but kind of put quite a bit of weight into it, because the body just loves it. It's a really tough region of the body, really stable region of the body. So you can really put some weight into it and get a lot of benefit.
Yeah, it feels like it's the very start of those glute tendons. But yeah, you're right, like it feels so dense, like you're pushing hard, but it doesn't budge like other areas of the body, like it doesn't have much give.
Yep.
So it shows how much density of tissues there, and straight through to the other side there is too. Yeah, but it's therapeutic. You've got to actually put a bit of force behind it in this area to actually create some change.
Yeah.
But no, it feels good, man. We've got some big stuff going on, don't we, Ninj?
Yeah, got some. If you haven't watched the video for a while, got a bit of an announcement to make. We filmed a calendar. We shot a calendar, I should say. So first time we've ever done that kind of thing, but lots of fun.
Yeah.
Sort of us, the four big dogs, Jason Das. We got together, and it was like a celebration of our friendship. I think more than just the business and the characters on YouTube. We really loved the experience, and we just loved being together and doing our thing in the gym. So it was cool. My old mate Tony Ryan, so I've known him for about 20 years, and he'd done a lot of calendar photography in the past with good athletes. And now
he's had the best.
Now he's had but Jason Das probably stole the show with the calendar shots, but we represented pretty well too.
Yeah, we held up our end of the road.
Yeah, he put us in pretty good light, didn't he? All those camera tricks.
That's it. Yeah, don't need to be ripped to look good in Tony's studio.
Yeah. So it was a really good experience, and so it's yours to buy. You can buy it anywhere in the world. Mm-hmm. Be shipped to your door.
Yeah, it's pretty fast too. The shipping's amazing. It's all drop shipping, so it's actually pretty amazing how it all works. Like a distribution company in your area actually creates the calendar and then sends it to you. So we're learning a lot about that kind of business, but it's really cool. It's actually really cool. You get it pretty fast. But another part of the calendar that we've launched is this giveaway, which is attached to the calendar that we're giving away on January 1st, 2024. So we've got two packages that the winner can win. And one is basically a $10,000 credit to our clinic next year, which is probably going to be chosen if it's a local person. But so all you internationals can win too. We're actually paying for all expenses, 1 week trip to Melbourne, Australia, to come and basically live with us or immerse in us and live like we do at MMT and have a holiday and get bodywork off us and train with us. And it'll be a tailored week to whatever you want. So all you got to do is buy a calendar and you're in the running. And we draw the winner on January 1st. And we can't wait. We've never given away, I don't think we've ever really given away much as opposed to probably a free treatment or anything like that, Ninj? But we've just gone all out.
Yeah, biggest by far.
Yeah.
Best value. The trip, if you win the trip over, it's worth probably double or triple the $10,000 because you'll get.
We think so.
Yeah.
Like food, you get us for we're not going to be working for that for that week. And, still, even though we're quite big on YouTube, like the main source of income for us four individually is the work that we do during the week. So our service hours, actually treating people. So we're going to be taking the week off to spend it with you. So yeah, it's not just the fee of flights, accommodation, meals, getting you around, transport. It's actually that you're paying to have us with you for the whole week too. So it is a once in a lifetime opportunity, isn't it, Ninja? It's, we've done this stuff with athletes and students and fans before. To give it to one lucky random person is pretty cool. We're excited to see what we do and what you want as well. Like if you win, you might want a holiday, and that's cool. We can show you around Melbourne and take you on day trips and just have fun. But if you want to get actual fixed and change your life, we can really hone in on this stuff: the bodywork, the personal development, the self-development, the physical training.
Yep.
It is going to change your life because we've done it before many times. So we're very confident that we can do something that will be a thing that you'll look back on at your end of your life and be like, that was freaking huge catalyst.
Yeah, it's something that we love doing is stepping up.
Yeah.
So we like the biggest challenge is like having NFL athlete coming over, and we just stepped up and absolutely nailed it.
Delivered.
We delivered, had everything was planned out and it kind of just went to plan. So it was awesome. So we can do that kind of thing for the winner of this one too. So we can get to know you a bit over a couple of Zoom sessions, and then we can plan out your week that you stay with us. So
yeah, we love hosting. Hosting's a big part of when we actually nutted down the blueprint of what we do and why we do it so well. We really host well so that you feel like you're nurtured the whole time. Like, it's a big undertaking for the winner to come out here to a foreign country for a week to stay with us, even though you might know us a little bit from YouTube. But we do our utmost to make sure that is seamless and you feel really well taken care of and protected and safe. If you have any doubts about that, we go above and beyond in that space too.
That's cool. And I'm getting my place ready. So
yeah,
I've
worked perfectly, hasn't it?
Had a plan to have a bed and breakfast at my house up in the forest for a few years now, and I'm actually in the process of making it happen. So it should be really good. So
you're making a boardwalk and a full path because you got such a big block, eh? It's huge. So.
Yeah, the boardwalk down to it's going to be the main feature of the little spot. So you got private room with the spa, like an outdoor jacuzzi type spa, and I've soundproofed it. So I live above it. Yeah, I've got a few little kids, so I don't want them to be you're hearing them. So so you've got your own deck, and so
the view is just unbelievable.
Yeah, you're looking out to natural forest, which is really unique in this part of the world.
That's what I was going to say. It's quite one of a kind, isn't it?
Yeah.
In terms of atmospheres and
So you got mountain ashes. So I've got some that are probably 60 or 70 meters tall in my backyard, and the tree ferns are really cool as well. So I've got some of them that are like probably 10 meters tall as well. So they're just massive kind of prehistoric kind of trees and ferns. So. But just lush. It's always green.
So cool.
Lots of birds. Wildlife all the time. So it's a really cool place to be. That's why I live there, because I kind of was spending money on bed and breakfast, 20 years ago, and I thought, why don't I just live up here, buy a place, and it's really cool. But Melbourne is a good place. People that don't know, it is such a nice place. It has got such a lot of diversity around. The regions, the beaches and the, cliffs and waterfalls and you name it, we've pretty much got it here. Got mountains and
accessibility to amazing things is. I think it's why we get voted in the top 5, top 10 of the most livable city in the world. Like regularly, we won it 7 years in a row. We checked that up when we were doing some marketing for this. So you see everything, sport, whether it's you like going to gigs or pub culture or restaurants. Like our food and cafe scenes are the best in the world. Like I've done a lot of traveling in Europe and America, and the accessibility to great food and coffee in Melbourne is just ridiculous. And sport, beaches, like you said, wildlife too. Like we're going to make that a big part of the week, is to take you to some native Australian wildlife, see koalas and kangaroos and things like that. So if you haven't been to Australia or you never thought you'd get there, buy a calendar, just so you're in the running. You know, the calendar itself is freaking awesome, but make sure you're in the running. You know, you'd hate to get to the new year and you forgot, or you said to yourself, oh, I'll do it in a couple of weeks, and if you miss out, you know, if you're not in, you can't win. So just get involved. And at worst, you're going to be able to have us hanging from your dunny door for the whole year.
Yeah, so many places you can put that calendar.
Yeah.
Want to see it at work? We want to see some Instagram or something.
Creativity.
Some photos, you know, just tag us and show us where you put it in your office or your bedroom, wherever it is.
Ceiling of your bedroom, I reckon.
Yeah, I reckon.
Yeah.
Be a good spot. So yeah. But the more, and gift it, you know, stocking filler.
Yeah.
How cool would that be? Yeah. You know, mum opens that up, she'd be so happy.
She'd be wrapped. Yeah, imagine all the mums in the world. All the dads, all the brothers.
Yeah. It's good for anybody.
That's it.
So yeah, we're proud of it, aren't we?
Bloody oath. Yeah, no, the calendar is really, really cool. Yeah. Thanks, Ninj.
Anyway, so hopefully you feel a little bit better from this treatment, man, around this sacrum and glute region, lower back.
Absolutely. If you've got some sacrum stuff too,
if
you're local, come in to see our practitioners. They can do some good work on you. And if you win the prize, you get 7 days of this.
You can get the best treatment in the world.
Literally.
How good would that be?
Bloody oath. Thanks, Ninj.
Buy a calendar. Get it done.
See ya.